Here's a 60-second script for the Polynomial Division Interactive Calculator. Dividing polynomials by hand is one of those math skills that eats up time and invites careless mistakes, especially when you're dealing with higher degree expressions or messy coefficients. That's exactly why this polynomial division calculator exists. Just enter your dividend, the polynomial you're dividing, and your divisor, and the calculator instantly returns your quotient and remainder. It handles everything from simple linear divisors all the way up to complex higher degree polynomials. For example, divide eq plus 3x squared minus 4 by x minus 1. In seconds, you'll see the full result, quotient x squared plus 4x plus 4, with no remainder. Whether you're checking homework, studying for an exam, or working through an engineering problem, this tool keeps you moving forward without getting stuck in the algebra. Try it free right now using the link below. Word count 43.